What's up, guys? Venom Boys Garage coming back to you with a 1978. I have been welding, doing body work, cutting, welding, cutting, welding, cutting, welding, a lot. Yeah, let me jump in here and show you what I've done and show where we're going with it. Yeah, we jumped in here, we cut out the bottom, welded the paste back in. Under the fender well, we cut all that out, welded it back in. That's some of the victims right there we cut out. Yeah, I mean, I've just been blasting on this thing. We stuck a new old hood up here, reworked that, got all the dents out of it. We are just about to the point. I'm doing the final sand today, and we're gonna tape it up, and we're gonna throw down some paint tomorrow. Yep. Oh, we got this sitting on deck. Oh yeah, I got her down like I want her. I mean, the front end come down just a tad bit more, but right now it's parked on a hill, so it's kind of cocked sideways a little bit. But yeah, I also been practicing on how I want to do my patina. That one, no, love that one. Yeah. So this is how we'll work that out, but that's something later. That's another project. Right now we're gonna finish this one up, and I'll probably jump back in here and bring y'all back tomorrow when I go to spray. Let y'all see how I put my paint down. We're doing like I said, Raven Black single stage. I don't know about single stage, but hey, can't be too, but it's so hard, huh? All right, guys, Venom Boys Garage. See y'all tomorrow. What's up, guys? Venom Boys Garage. It's Saturday. We're gonna lay down some paint. I've already wiped down the truck, attacked it, and everything. Let me show you. Everything's been wiped, tacked. That's my chair because I'm too short. The fan's going, so. But this is the black. She is black. It's a NASON, and then we're going to use a high temp slow reducer. Yeah, but we'll get ready to throw it down. Let's see how it goes. Let's cut the other fan off. Might get a little noisy. Like I said, the compressor and everything. I'm probably going to start, then I'm going to cut y'all off and bring y'all back after the first coat. See how everything goes. We got the 4 in there, and then we're going to do the 1. Here's where we go with the mist. Well, look like a whole lot there. Spray some NASON. I like NASON. Sometimes. Not all the time. I prefer the cheap stuff, especially on my stuff, because if I don't like a color, I'll change it. And it gets expensive when you start changing paints, and NASONs and stuff. Whoa. Just turn that thing down to about 23. Right there. Let's shoot a see where my gun sit at. Since I'm gonna take it down and clean it. Uh, that's pretty good right there. I don't know if you can see it from way over yonder, but nice even round pattern. Oh, God. Much better. Much gooder. Much gooder. I'm gonna cut y'all off and bring y'all back after the first coat. All right, we got the first coat down, which is like the tack coat. I'm having a hard time with this paint. It's not flowing right. It's not coming out of my gun like it's supposed to. I'm gonna take my gun down and while it's sitting for 10, 15 minutes. See if I got an issue or something, because it's just not flowing out of the gun. But that's first coat. It's just a tack coat, like I said. Now we're gonna. That was like a medium coat. Now we're gonna go heavy. See if we get some shine in there since it's single stage. And my last coat, I always dump a little clear in it to help it shine a little bit and give it some life. But I'll get back with you in a little while. All right, guys, that's the second coat. Uh, Now I'm getting ready to lay down the last coat, and I'll add some clear to it. I always add clear to it to get that little extra shine, make it a little wetter looking, more protection. And it's really not flowing that great. I mean, it's coming out good to be a single stage, but the Mustang flows so much better. And it was cheap paint. But this is black too, so it's got some bits in the hood. Yeah, there's a lot of bits in the hood. That's an old hood that we drug out the woods and done a little work to you. But that's why he wants to say because it's a hunting hunt. So he really don't care, but I do because I want it to look good. But we'll mix up some clear in the single stage. I put the last coat on. And this is going to be wet. So this is going to take good. And I'll start spraying on the bed bottom and I'll walk myself out. And that'll be it. And then I'll bring it back and we'll do the last walk around on it. Yep. All right, guys. I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, guys. That's the last coat, single stage. I mean, it's not one of my best paint jobs, but it's not horrible. Well, to me, it ain't. Well, yeah, it might be. I don't know. But like I said, this is a hunting truck, so I mean, you still see your reflection and stuff like that in it. I mean, I rather it done a base coat, clear coat. I really don't like single stage, but it is what it is. It still come out good to be single stage NASON paint. But I just, like I said, I'd rather do a base coat, clear coat. But anyhow, I'm about wore out. Yeah, but that's a single stage paint job on the 78. We got next is 62. I'm gonna go ahead and get the engine out, get the engine bay done. Look for more videos on that. My back is killing me. I'm not used to all this painting all the time. But yeah, it came out good. Single stage came out, I think, fairly good to be what it is. Uh, I'm wearing most of it probably. Most of the time the mask is, oh there it is, a black mark. But anyhow. Alright guys. That's my single stage paint job on the 78. I'll let it dry a little bit. And I'll take some pictures and I'll post them with this right here. With everything back together on it. Alright guys, Venom Boys Garage. Check me out. Like, share, follow. Follow me on Facebook. Send me a friend request. Venom Boys on Facebook. Venom Boys Garage on Facebook. Yeah. Let's get it done. Have a good one.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, Casamigos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.